सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद.
The non-political movement of the propagation of Quran and Sunnah, Dawat-e-Islami's publication department, Maktabatul Madina, now presents for you a well-renowned booklet named The Death of Abu Jahl, written by Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, consisting of 18 pages. You will find in this booklet the little warriors, the host of Jibreel alayhi salam, prayer is the weapon of the believer, and other useful information in addition to all the previously mentioned topics. You may download this booklet from the website of Dawat-e-Islami, that is www.dawat-e-islami.net. You are requested to buy this booklet from the various branches of Maktabatul Madina and distribute the books published by Maktabatul Madina in marriage ceremonies, tragic events and congregational events in order to increase goodness in your book of deeds.
सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि मुहम्मद. मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है.